Hello everybody, I want to share you about we keep continue with Thai mailing out unit. The mailing unit available in the following three types. Point machine unit use the drill hole. Line machine unit use the contour machine, and face machine unit use the machine and area in machine form. And mill unit included the circumference and shape circumference. Plan machine and machine tool. Data item setting plan to be machine and setting machine method existing in all the point line near the face machine unit data. This is the data item are displayed as mode and post/year and post/year. The specific design and phase and method under the mode post/year and post/year column. Program unit drilling in mode post/year post/year diameter, depth and chamfer. First mode selection machine mode Z-shear, H-shear and H-shear column. When we use the Z-shear, it means the cylinder side can be machined into desired shape as specified in the CNZ connector system. See axial matching. This is the material. This is the machine's code will be work and drill. This is the C rotation. If C rotation function not to second spindle is available. The second spindle, the first spindle is available. The line machine can be executed on the node number second spindle as well. H-shear, the edges can be machined be desired shape as specified in the all-shear or H-wise connect system. C axial machine, C rotation. We can drill hole 1, 2, 3. This is the line tool. This is second spindle. H-shear, a real splone can be machined into design shape specified in the R-shear or H-Y connect system. C axial machine rotation. First spindle. The line machine is possible only if the machine has C axial function for C function and number second spindle. The mode ZY plone or cylinder can be machined be desired shape as specified in the Z and Y connection system. Y axial machine we drill hole 1, 2, 3, 4. There is Z direction, then Y direction. This can spindle, then the tool for line tool. HY HSB machine into desired shape as specified in the XY or shear coordination system. Y axial, X direction, Y direction, drill, hold it, and lie tool. XY, a real plan can be machined into desired shape as specified in the XY or shear coordination system. Y axial machine, the Y, then east, then a lie tool, drill 1, 2, 3. Then a shear hollets can be machined oblique plant at the desired oblique position, angle as specified into B axial direction. C axial machine mode can be selected on the line of flown matching unit here. You see the hold the tool approach from the edge side. Then I see some hole can be an oblique desired position, angle specified in the B axial direction. C a direction machine. The mode cannot be selected on for the line of flown machine. C direction. The tool approach from the rear side. The SY hole can be machined and oblique plant as at the side oblique position, angle as specified in the B axial direction. Y axial direction to approach edge side. Yes, I think that's this all today. We keep continue to learning. Thank you for watching.